Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI photo editor called Retake AI. So here's a breakdown. Retake AI is an AI powerful photo editor tools built to make pro-level edits super fast and easy. No Photoshop skill required. It uses generative AI to automatically enhance, retouch, and transform image with things like background removal, lightning fix, skin smoothing, object replacement, and stylist change. For creators, influencers, and e-commercial sellers who need clean, polished visual without spending hours editing, Retake AI delivers surprisingly descriptive results in a click or two. That said, while Retake AI excels at quick, eye-catching edit, it doesn't always match the precision of manual editing for highly detailed or complex shots. Some AI adjustment can look a bit over processed and can make a little tweak in a traditional editor. So in my opinion, I actually think the Retake AI is one of the best AI photo editors for speed, ease of use, and everyday editing tasks, especially if you want a great visual fast, but pixel perfect pros might still pair it with the manual tools when quality can't be compromised. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.